Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Aviator Predictor app on phone. So first thing you need to do is adjust a few settings on your phone. Start by opening the settings menu. Next, in the search bar at the top of the settings page, type install and look for the option called install unknown apps. This setting allows you to install apps from sources outside of the official app stores. Once you find it, tap on it. Once that's done, exit the settings and open your browser. In the search bar, type Aviator Predictor app and search for it. You'll find several links to download the app, but we'll use the link from Softonic. Click on that link to proceed. Once on the Softonic page, you will see a button to download the APK on the free app. To download options, you may encounter some ads during this process, so feel free to close them afterward. The download page should load and you can click the download button to get the file. Once the app is downloaded, click open to begin the installation. If you don't see the option to open it, check the notification panel where you'll find the file. Tap on it, then select package installer to start the installation. Now simply tap install and the app will be installed on your device. Once the installation is complete, you can open the Aviator Predictor app and start using it right away. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.